Okay, hello fellas and welcome. I hope everyone's doing good tonight, guys. You know we don't mess around. We try to do the breaks ASAP, guys. So we're gonna go with it. It's about 5 to 10 p.m. The auction literally just ended a couple minutes ago, fellas, and it's gonna be the auction for the 20. I can't wait to get in this stuff. 2014 Game Day Gallery. All the studs, man. Johnny Manziel. Hopefully, hopefully we can pull some great hits. And this is just a sheet, guys, just so you're aware the video is current and that you're at the right auction, guys. And as always, if you have any questions whatsoever or need assistance with anything at all, just send me a message and I'll be more than happy to help any way that I could. And thank you for all purchases this evening, guys. Hope we can make somebody tonight here. Pull some goodies out of this for us. And be sure to check out current breaks too, guys. I have the brand new, just came out today, man. Just came out today, the new 2014 Prime. I already have that listed, ending tomorrow night. But I'll be quiet now, fellas. We'll get what we came to do. Best of luck to everybody. Maybe we can yank some big dogs for you guys. Give myself a little platform here. Let's see here. Which way they go? I think that's... I think it's... Okay, guys. There we have it. Getting right to it, guys. Best of luck to... Oh, boy, everybody. Sorry about that, guys. Had a little bit of an avalanche there. There we go. Okay, now up first we have numbered to 150. Nice. Logan Thomas. On card autograph. Very nice. Logan Thomas, numbered 150. Cool. Alrighty, up next we have... Oh, check this one out, guys. Wow. Numbered 2 of 25. That's right, Bishop Sankey. 2 of 25. Awesome hit, man. Congrats. Bishop Sankey. Very nice. Sweet hit. Nice. Good old Sankey. And up next we have... Oh, another goodie, guys. Check this out. This one's numbered to 15. I believe you recognize that guy. That's Jadeveon Clowney. Wow. Numbered to 15. It's Jadeveon, guys. Wow. Super cool hit, man. What a box. A Clowney on card numbered to 15. Very nice. Phew. Beautiful box, guys. Let's see who's next here, man. Coming up next, we have Kenny Shaw. Wow. Numbered 1 of 99. Kenny Shaw on card. That's great. What a box, guys. Very nice. And last but not least, what do we have here? Nice. Ending it out with haha. Numbered to 199. Haha Clinton Dix. Numbered 199. On card autograph. Very cool. Wow, what a box, guys. Okay, guys, that does it for tonight. Congrats to all those who got all those sweet hits, guys. Thank you so much for all purchases. And like I said, you have any questions at all, just hit me up. And check out that new break. The 2014 Prime just came out today. It'll end tomorrow night, guys. Thank you so much and have a wonderful night.